Hi, I'm Marcus Schneider and you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're going to do the maintenance on this 1987 Polaris Startrak. So the first thing I gotta do, one, I gotta replace this air filter because the glue came unsat, so I gotta pull this off, re-glue the old one, but that's fine. So for now I'm just gonna swap them. They're cheap little filters. Oh yeah, okay, pull this off. I got to swap the belt because, as you can tell, oh, even this is pretty small. I don't know. I gotta see if this belt comes off. So I swapped the belt. It was a pain in the ass to get on because this is too small of a belt too. That one's too small. That's the old one. I put on the spare because I'm like, well, maybe the spare is. This one's too small too. So whoever owned this in the past, too small of belts. So I need to get it a little bit bigger, just a tiny bit, because I need to be able to turn this without it grabbing. Because then when this spins really fast, this closes and grabs the belt. Problem is, with the other belt, it was even just doing this. So even this is better with this other belt. Because it was grabbing, and even in low idle, so I didn't have this tuned properly, because in low idle, it grabbed the sled and yanked her. So now we're going to replace this, and then I'm going to give her a tune. We're going to check the gear case, and then she should be good.
Feel
All I did was just fully reset her, fully screw her in, and then do half a turn to 1 turn. So where they see it on the trail, I'm gonna have to play with it a little more, because, well, obviously I'm gonna have to play with it. She was not properly tuned before because, well, the belt issue. Now she seems to maybe not have a problem with the belt. So I think this belt I have that was on her before is a little too small, where this belt is just a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna have to go and get this measured and be like, that one's not good, that one's good, and get a couple more of these. But as you can see on this old carb, so here's our choke, here's our throttle, we have our idle screw and our high. So this is our high screw, this is our idle screw. Tune this and she idles and the fuel dumps in that. As you can see, I have a second, my throttle also comes down here and releases this, because mine delivers fuel into the block. Delivers oil. That. Oh yeah, I just checked this a little while ago, so I know typically what you can do to check this is you pull your plug and you grab like a zip tie and dip down. You want just like underneath this nut, pretty much just enough to lather the chain and protect her. I just filled this and changed this at the start of this season, so she should be fine. Fuel is fine. I got to top her off. How much oil do I got in here? I could probably go buy. When I go on the trail today, I'll pass by the place and buy another jug. Top off my 2-stroke oil. Because that's actually, that's a little low. So did that, check that, change belt, redo that, tune the carb. I got to top her off with gas, and then I'm going on a trail ride. That's it. That's all there is to maintaining this little old sled. Other than I just got to put it back together now and fill it up with gas, and away I go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Startrak Classics. See you guys next time.